TradingView is an incredibly powerful platform for charting and analysis, and many new users wonder if they can actually practice their trading skills right there. The short answer is yes, you absolutely can, using two primary methods built into the platform. The most common and effective way to practice on TradingView is through paper trading. This feature allows you to execute simulated trades using real-time market data without risking any actual capital. It's essentially a demo account integrated directly into your charts. To start, look at the bottom panel of your chart. Click on the Trading Panel tab and you'll see several brokerage options, including paper trading by TradingView. Select this, and a simulated account will be created for you, usually preloaded with virtual funds. Once connected, you can place buy and sell orders directly from the chart using the buy and sell buttons or by right-clicking. You can set stop loss and take profit orders just as you would in a live account. This lets you practice your entry, exit, and risk management strategies in a realistic environment. Another powerful practice tool is the bar replay feature. This lets you rewind the chart to a past date and then play the price action forward bar by bar at your own pace. Bar replay is perfect for backtesting and practicing chart reading. You can pause the replay at any point, make a decision, and then advance the chart to see if your trade idea would have been profitable. While you can't officially place paper trades during the replay, it's an unparalleled way to hone your technical analysis skills under pressure. By utilizing both paper trading and bar replay, you can effectively simulate the trading experience and refine your strategies before ever risking real money. Get familiar with these tools today to level up your trading game.